Hello, I made a picture out of the information you had in the attachment. The angle A was 38 degrees, the side opposite was 21 degrees, lowercase a. Lowercase b was 17. You want to find angle C and B and side C. So I made a picture out of it. So I guess since we know angle A and the side opposite of it, so, that'd be this part of the sine, the sine of 38 over 21. Okay, so we know that. Then we have 17 here. Well, we can find angle B. The sine of B will be over 17 will equal this known ratio. I'll multiply each side by 17. Put it in a calculator, I get 0.4984. And I take the inverse sine of it, and I get around 29.9 degrees. That's for angle B here. Well, the sum of these three angles is 180. So if you take 180 and subtract the two angles we have here, the 38 and the one just found, you get 112.1 degrees, and that's C. And the last thing is find this side here, and so C over sine of this angle, 12.1 degrees, will equal, and then we can use this known ratio here, 21 over the sine of 38. Multiply each side by sine 112.1 degrees. Put in my calculator, and I have the answer. Hope this helps.